લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે ટાઈપ 4 સ્ટાર્ટ કરેલો હતો, એના 1 થી લઈ અને 7 સુધી સમ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલા હતા. નાઉ નેક્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ, એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 8. There are 100 students in a class. Of them 36 boy study statistic and 13 girl do not study statistic. There are in all 55 girls in a class. Find the probability that a randomly selected boy of class do not study statistic. First of all, we assume that P of A is equal to boy. So P of A dash is equal to girl. Same way, P of B is equal to study statistic and P of B dash is equal to do not study statistic. Okay. Now 2 by 2 table prepare करसु. Gender, stat, gender માં boy, girl, total. Statistics ની અંદર study, do not study. And total. P of boy, that is P of A, girl that is A dash, statistics study करसे that is B, do not study that is B dash. Now there are total 100 students, so total 100 student, of them 36 boys study statistic, boy and study statistic, there are 36. 13 girl do not study statistic, do not study statistic, girl 13. There are in all 55 girls, so total there are 55 girls, so remaining are boy, that is 45 are boy. 45 minus 36 9. 55 minus 13 42. 42 plus 36 78. 9 plus 3 13 22. 22 plus 78 100. Okay. Now we have to find out randomly selected boy given that do not study statistic. Randomly selected boy given that do not study statistic. So boy, that means A, given that do not study statistic, that is B dash. So we have to find out A slash B dash, that is P of A intersect B dash divided by P of B dash. A intersect B dash, that is boy and do not study statistic. There are total 9 boy which do not study statistics. 9 divided by 100. So P of A slash B dash is equal to 9 divided by 100. Total 22 boys. Total there are B dash, that means do not study statistics. Total 2 students, this do not study statistics. 22 by 100. 100 cancel. 9 by 22. That is 0.41. This is your answer. 0.41. sorry, here given word is not given. So A that B dash. So given જ્યારે વર્ડ નો આપ્યો હોય ત્યારે ફર્સ્ટ હોય એ લાસ્ટ થાય. So B dash divided by A, that is P of A intersect B divided by P of A. So divided by P of A, 45 divided by 100. 45 divided by 100. So 9 divided by 45, 9 by 45, that is 0.2. This is your answer. Next, example number 9. There are 200 workers are in a factory. Out of them 46 male workers are skilled, 24 female workers are unskilled. There are in 85 females in a factory. Find the probability that first randomly selected male worker is unskilled, a randomly selected is skilled given that she is female. First of all, we have to prepare 2 by 2 table. So P of A is equal to આપણે assume કરશું male, તો A dash થશે female. P of A is equal to male, so P of A dash is equal to female. P of B is equal to thase skilled, so P of B dash is equal to thase unskilled. Skill, gender, gender ma male, female, total. Skill ma skilled, unskilled and total. Male means A, female means A dash. Skilled, that is B, unskilled B dash. There are total 200 workers are in a factory. Out of them 45 male workers are skilled, 46 are male and skilled, that is AB. 24 female workers are unskilled, female unskilled, that are 24. There are total 85 females. 85 females. 200 minus 85, that is 115. 85 minus 24, that is 61. 115 minus 46, that is 69. 69 plus 24, that is 93. 46 plus 61, that is 107. 107 plus 93, 200. A randomly selected male is unskilled. First question, male is unskilled. Male એટલે આપણે assume કરેલું છે A, unskilled એટલે આપણે assume કરેલું છે B dash. Given word આપેલો નથી એટલે પેલું હોય એ છેદમાં જશે. B dash slash A we have to find out. So B dash slash A is equal to P of A intersect B dash divided by P of A. A intersect B dash is equal to male unskilled, unskilled male, total there are 69 unskilled male. So 69 divided by 200. 69 by 200. P of A is equal to male. Total there are 115 male. 115 divided by 200. So 69 divided by 115, that is 0.6. This is your first answer. Second, a randomly selected is skill given that she is female. Skilled given that she is female. Skilled, that is B, given that she is female, that is S/. given word આવ્યો એટલે છેલ્લું હોય એ છેદમાં જશે, B/A'. So P of A'/B divided by P of A'. A'/B, A' intersect B, that is female, and skilled, female and skilled, that is 61. 61 divided by 200. So 61 divided by 200. Total there are 85 females. So 85 divided by 200. 200 cancel. 61 divided by 85. That is 0.72. This is your second answer. Next, example number 10 આપણે નેક્સ્ટ સેશનમાં સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું. થેન્ક યુ.